Ho, ho, ho! Merry Christmas! Welcome to the Christmas-themed Puzzle of Puzzles. Get ready to jingle all the way to the final solution. So, grab a pencil and some paper. Let's go figure things out. All right, pretend you're an elf and you're working with Santa at the North Pole. You've just gotten back after a long night of helping Santa deliver his Christmas presents all around the world. But you have to go back to the North Pole workshop because you need to submit your final gift report. So, you get in the elevator, you're headed up to the 25th floor where your office is, and all of a sudden the elevator stops. It appears that you're stuck. You decide to open the elevator panel, and inside there's a note, and the note says, "Dear Mr. Elf, the rest of the elves have decided to play a fun trick on you. We have made a series of puzzles that you have to solve to get back to your desk to submit your final report. Enjoy solving them." After opening the panel, you see a series of gears like this. What you need to do is figure out how many times do you have to turn gear A so that all the gears are pointing up.
I'll be right there, Mom. Gee whiz.
Okay, once all the gears are pointed up, the doors open. You walk out and you get to the door that is the entrance to your office. But you notice something interesting. There's a new keypad on the door that you have never seen before. You look around, and taped on one of the walls is a note. And it says, the first thing you need to do is generate a list of numbers using this for loop. Once you have that list of numbers, use your trusty old friend, the Fibonacci sequence, and you're going to grab the second, third, fifth, and eighth element of this list.
And now, grinned the Grinch. I stuff up the tree.
All right, you made it into the office. Now you walk to your desk, and when you get to your desk, once again, another note. And this time it has a series of gears drawn on the note. And it also says, if you pull this string 6 inches, how far will this present move?
You guys give up, or you're thirsty for more?
Okay, you finally made it. You're able to log onto your computer and you're ready to submit that final gift report. All of a sudden, a pop-up appears on your screen, and it is a note from Santa himself.
10 a.m. Santa's coming to town.
And he needs you to help him get ahead on next year's list of finding out which kids are gonna be naughty and which ones are gonna be nice. So he's given you his very secretive decision tree model that predicts which kids will be nice and which kids will be naughty based on some fun parameters. So what he has asked you to do is he's given you 3 kids that you need to predict. Are they going to be naughty or are they going to be nice? Once you have that, you have finished this puzzle of puzzles.
There it is.
All right, I hope you had fun solving all those puzzles. Comment below if you think Santa's decision tree model would predict you as being nice or as naughty. Please hit that subscribe button so we can get to 150 subscribers and we can start the puzzle leaderboard with some awesome chances to win some sweet prizes sent to you. Until then, go figure.